Yes, thank you very much for introduction me. Yes, I'm pharmacist. I'm Vice President International Diabetes Federation, but now I present people with diabetes. I have been living with type 1 diabetes 32 years. Cannot imagine. But my talk about diabetes distress living beyond prescription. First, we start from terminology. Little update your knowledge. Distress, what this is: emotional, social, spiritual, or physical pain of suffering that may cause a person to feel sad, afraid, depression, or lonely. Diabetes distress is the emotional distress resulting from living with diabetes and the burden of their relatives' daily self-management. People in distress may also feel that they are not able to manage, of course, these changes caused by normal life activities or by having this disease, such like diabetes. And a small fact about diabetes distress. Severe diabetes distress affects 1 of 4 people in 4 people living with type 1 diabetes, 1 in 5 people with insulin-treated type 2 diabetes, and 1 in 6 people with non-insulin-treated type 2 diabetes. The greatest diabetes distress is associated with suboptimal diabetes self-management, HbA1c, and impaired general emotional well-being. Diabetes distress is sometimes mistaken for is more common than depression, and diabetes distress is best managed with the context of diabetes care. From my experience, the greatest psychologist burden in the diagnosis is time in diagnosis in diabetes. When I go back to time when I got this diabetes, yet I only finished my university, I have plan, I have dream, I have another strategy for my life. Suddenly, I got diabetes. People who have diabetes understand very clear what this. It's shock. You cannot accept this, and it takes time for acceptation this disease and how you can manage this. This is, I think, it's very, very important. Support in this time, and I'm very happy and lucky. I have parents who full support me and do everything even which is not possible. And if another part of burden of diabetes which we feel in every day is hypoglycemia. Sorry. For me, it's like I all the time afraid hypoglycemia. In this case, I maybe not super controlled because I have a little bit higher, and be sure that I am not go to hypoglycemia, because hypoglycemia absolutely destroy day, and you feeling you have planned for one day, but you cannot manage because hypoglycemia. In this case, it's a big problem, and then it's like you work or you live under the something in your head all the time. There's also big distress. But self-management. What is key words for beginning when I got this disease? I was very lucky and had in that time, you can imagine, we had one educator session, school, self-management school. It's for everybody, not like now for type 1 diabetes, type 2, young, children, adult, different. It's everybody together. But after this school, I understand that I can manage diabetes, not diabetes manage me. In this case, it's, I think it's important education more of ever. But it was all the time perfect or not. Be sure nobody perfect, even if you want very much. We are in real life, we are real people, we sometimes very tired from everyday manipulation and injection, and sometimes I even don't remember I did insulin or not. Not because I have bad memory, thank God now I still have good, but because it's routine, and it's like automatic. And this is also we feeling sometimes not comfortable. I have already done insulin or not. It's a lot of moments which we feeling, and feeling it's not so good in our life during day, during night, because it depends of our situation, what we do, what happens with us, what is party, not party, something like that. But as I say, I'm lucky, and I had this course, and diabetes became part of my life. I accept this disease, and I understand that I must manage. And of course, it changed my life, and I must be friend with my diabetes. I'm not alone, but I must be friend with my diabetes. And what is positive view on diabetes? I try to find not only negative, because it's a terrible disease from my side, but in same times, it's new opportunity. Because you meet some people, you start involved in some activity which before you never thinking about. And I was lucky because we have a local association, which was, I was involved in the activities, and I'm very happy. I forgot about diabetes because it was good emotional. We not speak too much about diabetes. We live, but in surrounding which everybody understand each other, have some problem, and even somebody start say something crazy and say, oh, you have hypoglycemia. Maybe it's like laughing on this. It's like joke, of course. And I really involved in our association, and we organized some camp for children, for young. For adult, you see, this for adult is education camp, and you see how people happy, even who has diabetes. Another case is also positive view. I never thinking that I will be fully involved in football, but not like player, like manager of our team. In 2012, we created one great project, football competition between people with diabetes, only for people with diabetes. And it was start from 8 countries. It was first in time in Kiev, and now it's grow, and now it's 21 countries involved. In every year we organize different countries this championship. You cannot imagine how improve life of our players. They come and will be shy, but after their few months with the surrounding, they are very strong. And also another case, they understand for great play football, you must have good condition. In this, they try to be under the control all the time. And about my career, I put my career through this diabetes, and I organized 2003 first Diabetes Day in a pharmacy, and now it's successfully prolonged. Till now, I'm not involved in this, but it's start very great day, 14 November in chemistry. And now, as Vice President, I collaborate with International Pharmaceutical Federation, and we make development some tools for pharmacists, because pharmacists can assist doctor and make better outcome. But it's not only we have diabetes. Suddenly something happens, tragic. Tragedy that you cannot imagine, you cannot expect, and you cannot prepare for this. 24 February 2002, Russian attacks across Ukraine, and that it happens like humanitarian crisis. To be honest, I I never forgot when my friends called me and said, "Wake up, war start." You cannot believe even. But unfortunately, and this is big stress, because we people with diabetes, we need insulin every day, and we don't know what happens, because from beginning of war, our system was reimbursement system, which we got insulin from pharmacy, broken. People could not take insulin through the pharmacies because they could not deliver in there, because pharmacists did not allow program. We have a program, affordable medicine. A lot of distribution were encouraged to go to those places like they were shelling. Insulin was in storage of all company in warehouses, but there were problems with delivery. But in same times, we can see how people can help each other, and how many international association, individuals help to us, and we can see solidarity, and we really family. I really have chance to say everybody who helped us, thank you very much, we really appreciate this. And I, like Vice President, decide use my connection and the power for organized some communication between IDF and Direct Relief. It's main organization who deliver some supplements and they deliver it to Ukraine. And to be honest, we have not big problem. And now it's okay if not next to front. It's system work and people have insulin or tablet. And how, but you can imagine what is stress and how I can manage. I try to do something else. And I go to trainer, but it's not interesting for me, it's only routine. And what I see some advertisement, welcome to ballet, which I never do before. And I go and I got a lot of enjoy, and it's like change my mind. And this is absolutely great opportunity to fighting with this stress. It is very good, do something new. And another case, what is positive from this, that many people try to help us, and we organized a London to Kyiv charity bike challenge by Jerry Gore, maybe someone know his, and it was also show that we can be family, and he take with another groups, took 3,000 kilometers from London to Kyiv, and collected money for some hospital. And what I would like to deliver for ending, that for people with diabetes, you must control your life. Depends of your wishes. Please don't stop in your wishes. Go to goals. But for doctor, please support. We really need your support. We really need your treatment, and be tolerance for if sometimes we not follow for your recommendation. And this I only want to last point. The challenge is new opportunity. I celebration 20, and after this 30 years with diabetes. On mountain, it's like you can imagine 10 kilometers up and 10 kilometers down, and thanks God I have good condition. Thank you very much.